Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Chevron Rewards. Chevron Rewards is a loyalty program designed to help you save money on gas and other purchases at Chevron and Texaco stations. To get started, you will need to sign up for a Chevron Rewards account, which can be done online or through the Chevron mobile app. Once you have created your account, you can begin earning rewards by making purchases at participating Chevron and Texaco stations. For every dollar you spend on gas, you will earn a certain number of points, which can be redeemed for rewards such as discounts on gas, food, and other items. To earn rewards, simply swipe your Chevron Rewards card or enter your phone number at the pump before making a purchase. You can also link your credit or debit card to your Chevron Rewards account to earn points on purchases made with those cards. One of the key benefits of Chevron Rewards is the ability to earn and redeem points at both Chevron and Texaco stations. This means that you can earn points at one station and redeem them at another, making it easy to save money on gas and other purchases no matter where you are. In addition to earning points on gas purchases, you can also earn points on purchases made at the convenience store or on food and other items. This means that you can earn rewards on a wide range of purchases, making it easy to accumulate points and redeem them for rewards. To redeem your points, simply log in to your Chevron Rewards account online or through the mobile app and select the reward you want to redeem. You can choose from a variety of rewards, including discounts on gas, food, and other items. Some best practices to keep in mind when using Chevron Rewards include making sure to swipe your card or enter your phone number at the pump before making a purchase, keeping track of your points balance, and redeeming your points regularly to maximize your savings. Overall, Chevron Rewards is a great way to save money on gas and other purchases at Chevron and Texaco stations. By following these steps and using the program regularly, you can earn rewards and save money on the things you need.